Hello. Thank you for your interest in Jingwei Technology Company Limited. As a leading manufacturer providing intelligent solutions for the global wire harness industry, we specialize in the research, development, and production of high-quality, high-efficiency wire harness processing equipment. Our core products include precise and fast wire stripping machines, stable and reliable terminal crimping machines, automatic wire harness winding and binding machines, and efficient tape wrapping machines. Jingwei Technology, driven by innovation, trusted for quality. Looking to explore more wire harness processing solutions tailored to your needs? Please visit our official website at www.cablecutting.net. Jingwei Technology, helping elevate your manufacturing to the next level.